Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside your Android browser. Pick the one you actually use because the steps vary slightly. First, open the app and tap the menu, usually 3 dots, then select Settings so you can reach Site Controls. Once done, look for Privacy, Site Settings, or Advanced. Those labels contain JavaScript toggles. Make sure you're using the current browser version. Outdated menus can hide options. If you use multiple browsers, repeat these first steps in each one to ensure JavaScript is disabled everywhere you need it. Now that you're in Site Settings, scan for JavaScript and tap it to reveal the switch. You'll usually see a simple on/off toggle. Turn it off to block scripts. This disables many dynamic features on pages, which is why you might lose some functionality. In some browsers, JavaScript is under Advanced or Content Settings, and Firefox may require About, Config Changes, or a Content Settings entry. After flipping the toggle, navigate to a site to confirm behavior. If pages break, you'll know the setting took effect. Finish by reloading a few web pages and watching for missing interactive elements. That confirms scripts are blocked. If the toggle doesn't stick, clear the browser cache and restart the app, or try the setting in another browser to rule out app-specific bugs. Make sure any site-specific permissions haven't been granted that allow scripts. If a trusted site requires functionality, re-enable JavaScript temporarily and then disable it again afterward. A common troubleshooting tip: update the browser app. Many toggle issues stem from.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.